Welcome back to my channel Gilda Workshop, and if you are new here, welcome to our family. So in this video I will show you how to assemble handmade earrings. And in the following videos you will see how to make a bracelet and a hair comb. To not miss the release of new videos, click on the bell below and subscribe to my channel. I want to ask you to visit my online store. You can order hair wands, hair combs and other accessories from all my video tutorials. You will see the link on the screen and in the description. We will send your order to any country via express or regular mail service. If you will order accessories in my online store, you will support my channel and help me to make new videos. Don't miss our regular discounts and purchase handmade jewelry today. This jewelry set can be purchased in our online store. I will leave the link in the description. Make a gift to yourself and your loved ones by ordering Gilda Jewelry handmade pieces. Don't miss the next videos about bracelet and hair comb and write your feedback. See you next time on Gilda Workshop channel. Bye bye!